Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into Bootloader. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key. From here select power off, and once the device turns off, you'll want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Let's give it a couple more seconds to turn off. Now that it turned off, I can hold the two keys. So power key and volume up. And as you can see, this will instantly boot us into Bootloader. Well, maybe not instantly, but you get the point. And once you see this mode, you can let go of the keys, and then using only volume up to navigate, you can select three different options. We have recovery mode, Fastboot mode, and normal boot, which takes us back to Android. So once you have your option that you want to confirm selected, press volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, I selected normal boot just to get back to normal Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.